Hello everyone, my name is Bayam Karimi and I'm going to present contextual decision-making and action enforcing applications in IoT using SDN as a platform. So some applications utilize historical data to detect or predict situation and decide on an action to be enforced. These applications require an architecture that gathers information and provides the flexibility to enforce the action. SDN is one of those. The controller receives all the packets from the switches and decide what to do with them. It provides global view of the network and flexibility. However, it lacks security. We combine it with STP to resolve this. STP only forwards the SPA packets that ask for authenticating the host or providing a services. This way, controller is safe and secure behind the gateway, and it secures the communication and identify and authenticate network elements. We use this architecture in three different scenarios to make sure that it works. In the first scenario, the patient is sending a video to the doctor. We want to maintain the quality of service of this video. So we use the historical data to build a model to control the error rate to sending rate of these access points. In the second scenario, the patient is storing the data in the cloud server, and later on, the doctor wants to retrieve this data and make a diagnosis. We want to make sure that the integrity of this data in the cloud server is maintained. We provide multiple levels of data security. As the security increases, the complexity also increases, and based on the parameters of the data, like merit of the data, lifetime of the data, and other things, we provided one of these verification methods, and this is an application in SDN controller. In the third one, the patient wants to store the data in the cloud servers and wants to make sure that the data is available at all times. So we summarize the data using multiple hash functions. We use an erasure code that each packet is randomly being stored in k number of storage, and at the storage parts, it combines them with some coefficients. And we used a Bayesian regression method to estimate the tolerable summarization error rate and also tolerable unavailability based on the context. And this is also an application in SDN and STP controller. The user will send the request to the gateway forwards it to the controller forwards it along with some information to the application responds with the parameter or action, forwards it to the gateway either store the data in the cloud server based on those parameters or send it to the doctor. It reduces the delay in the first scenario, it reduces the storage and time in the second scenario, and it reduces the storage in the third scenario. So it worked, and it can be used to enable decision making and action enforcing in the IoT considering the context. Thank you so much, and here is my email if you have any questions.